Good evening, my dear. Xin chào.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. What did you do today?
Happy.
Oh, happy. Did you go somewhere nice?
I some uh, chicken and
What else? And
meat. Yeah.
chicken and meat or milk?
Meat. Yes.
Oh. Well, teacher, um, what did I eat? I ate kimchi. Do you know what is
Oh,
kimchi? Spicy kimchi. Okay. Oh, by the way, my dear, I have a new friend. Would you like to see her?
place.
I Teacher has a new friend. Here, teacher has a new friend. Would you like to see her?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Here she is. Ta-da! Hi. Hello, my dear. How are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Hello. My name is.
Uh,
Can you give me
it,
a name?
um,
English name. Can you give me an English name?
um, uh, uh, mm,
Can you? Oh, let's. Oh, let's call her. Um,
mm,
what name?
mm.
Elsa. Can we
Yes.
call? Okay, let's call her Elsa. Hi, I'm
Yes.
Elsa. Ha 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 ha.
Hello, Elsa.
Hello, my dear. We will have to discuss our lesson tonight. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Ha ha ha. Okay, my dear. Okay, let's go, and Elsa will also listen to our lesson. Okay, let's go now to unit number 2. Okay,
Number 2.
number 2. Okay,
Huh?
okay, let's do the warmer. But before that, we will sing again another song. Okay, are you ready? Let us hear this song.
Yeah. Huh? Hi, I'm Hoagie.
Okay, by the way, my dear, can you hear the voice?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue.
Hoagie. Ping pong. Wash your head, wash your shoulders, body, body, bop, bop, bop.
Touch your tummy, touch your bottom.
Body, 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 bop. Wiggle your arms, wiggle your legs.
Body, body, bop, bop, bop. Shake your hands, shake your feet. Body, 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 bop. Body, body, bop, bop, body, bop, bop. Body, body, bop, bop. One more time.
Wash your head, wash your shoulders, body, body, bop, bop, bop.
Body, bop, bop. Touch your tummy, touch your bottom. Body, 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 bop.
Wiggle your arms, wiggle your legs. Body, body, bop, bop, bop.
Shake your hands, shake your feet.
Body, 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 bop.
Body, 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 bop.
Okay.
Come play on our apps.
Okay. Bop, bop.
Bop, bop.
Buddy, buddy, bop, bop. Okay, my dear, let's go to our review time. We will review about furniture, about what is this?
Furniture
And
and
prepositions
preposition
of
of play.
yes, very good. Now let's go.
Yo.
Okay, here we go now. Okay, let us listen to the voice and you guess what it says. Okay, let's listen.
Yes.
Armchair. Armchair.
Okay. Can you put a tick? Where is the armchair?
Yes.
Okay, where? Where is the armchair? Can you put a tick? Okay.
Okay.
Can you do it? Okay, teacher will help you. Okay, let's see where is the armchair. Oh, no. Let's go back here. Is this the armchair or this one? The red or the yellow?
Red.
Armchair.
What color, my dear?
Red.
Okay, let us see.
Amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Armchair. Now, where is the armchair? Is it next to the bookcase or near the window or beside the fireplace?
A.
Letter?
A.
Letter A. Let us see if letter A is correct.
This?
No.
Oh, no.
Okay, let's try again. Where is the armchair?
Is C.
Okay, can you read this one?
C. Yes.
Beside
Beside the
fireplace.
fireplace.
Okay, fireplace.
Fireplace.
Okay, let's hear the sound.
G.
Fireplace. Oh.
Ah.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
Lò sưởi. Fireplace.
Fireplace.
Place.
Fireplace.
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 Okay. Okay. Let's go back again.
Mm.
Okay, let us see. Okay. Letter C is the correct answer. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah, correct. Now let's go to the next. Oh, yeah, correct. Now let's listen again to the second word.
Rug. Rug.
Okay, what is that word?
Rug.
Graph.
Okay.
Graph.
Okay, where is the rug? Is this the rug?
Is left.
Here? Okay, maybe the purple one. Okay, let us see this one.
Great.
Okay, now that is the rug. Now, where is the rug located? Is it on the right of the room, or in the middle of the room, or on the left?
On the right of the room.
Oh, A. On the right of the room, let us see. Tick-tock.
Yes.
Oh, no. Again, let's try again, my dear. Where is the rug?
B.
Okay. What is B? Can you read this for me?
In the
Middle.
middle
Middle.
middle of the room.
Again.
In the middle of
Middle.
the room.
Okay. Middle.
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 Dull.
The
In the middle.
in the middle.
Okay, very good. Okay, let us see. The rug is in the middle.
Oh
Yes.
yeah!
Oh, yeah. Very good. You got it right. Okay, next. Okay, the next word is
Reading lamp. Reading lamp.
Im lặng.
reading lamp. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is the reading lamp.
Fantastic.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, now where is the reading lamp?
A. In the coffee table.
In
The coffee table.
okay, let's try. Let's see if it's correct. No.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, in. Okay, my dear. For example. Okay, let's see this. Okay.
Oh no.
All this is the burger and the plate. Okay, the burger
Yeah.
is in the plate. Okay, but when we say on, the burger is on top of the plate. On.
On.
Okay. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go back to our... Okay, so what is the correct answer? Over or on? Okay, what do you think? On.
B. Over.
Over? Okay, but when we say over, it's on top.
On.
Okay, but it's on. On.
On.
Okay, it's on. Yes, very good. Letter C.
Oh yeah!
Yes. Oh, yeah. Yes, very good, my dear. Now let's go to the next.
Wall clock.
Wall clock.
Okay, wall clock.
Wall clock.
Okay, now where is the wall clock? Here? Is that a
Yes.
wall clock? Okay, let
Yes.
us see.
Awesome.
Yes, awesome. Very good. Oops, let's go back first.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, where is the clock? Under, over, or on?
Over.
Yeah, okay. Over, above the pot plant. Okay, let us see.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah, yes, correct. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Painting. Painting.
Okay.
Painting.
Okay, yes,
Painting.
painting. Where is the painting? Is this a painting?
No.
How about this one? Is this a painting?
No.
Okay. How about this one?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's.
Amazing.
Yes, you are amazing. Now, where is the painting? Is it next? Okay, let's read this first, my dear. Can you read this for me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, can you read this for me?
Next to the fireplace.
Place. Fireplace.
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 Okay, the letter B.
Near the chair.
Okay, how about C?
Over the TV set.
Okay, so where is the painting?
A.
Okay, let us see.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah, again. Very good. The painting is next to the fireplace. Okay, next. Let's listen again.
Sofa. Sofa.
Sofa.
Yes, sofa. Is this the sofa? Is this
No.
No. Is this the sofa?
No.
No. How about this?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Correct.
Correct. This is the sofa. But where is the sofa? Letter A. Can you read this for me, my dear?
Behind the window.
Okay. Okay. Read this. Okay. Opposite.
Opposite the TV.
Set. Okay.
On
And
the right side.
okay. Now, where is the sofa?
Mm, um, behind the window.
Okay, let us see. Letter A. No.
Mm,
Let's try again, my dear.
B.
Okay, let us
B.
see.
B. No, that's
No.
oh no.
Okay, the sofa
Is on the right side.
side.
Oh
Okay.
yeah!
Yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, let's hear another one.
Chair. Chair.
What?
Prayer.
Okay, chair. Where is the chair? Is this a chair?
No.
No. Is this a chair?
No.
No. How about this one? Is
Yes.
this? Yes. Okay. Yes. Happy. Very good, my dear. You answered correct. Okay. Now, where is the chair?
Mm.
Letter A. Can you read it for me?
Uh-huh. Mm, mm, mm.
Opposite.
Opposite the TV set.
Okay. Next.
In front of the TV set. Next to the TV set.
Okay. So, where is the chair?
Mm. In front of the TV set. B.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's try if it's correct. No.
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay. Try another one, my dear. Where
Off
is the chair?
opposite the TV set.
Opposite.
Opposite the TV set.
Yes, opposite the TV set. Okay, let's see. If you have the correct
Oh
answer.
yeah!
Oh, yeah. Very good. Okay, the chair is opposite the TV set. Okay, another one.
Cupboard. Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Yes,
Cupboard.
cupboard. Where is the cupboard?
Cupboard.
Is this a cupboard here? Is this a cupboard?
No.
No. Is this a cupboard?
No.
No. How about this one? Is this the cupboard?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Great.
Great. Very good. Now, where is the cupboard? Letter A.
Mm.
On.
On the right of the room.
Okay. B.
Near the door.
And C.
In front of the armchair.
So, what is your answer, my dear?
Mm. Mm.
Where is the cupboard?
Near the door.
Okay, let us see if the cupboard is near the door.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah, correct. Very good. Congratulations, my dear. Okay. Let's go to another one.
Television.
Okay.
Television.
Okay, where is the television?
Television.
Oops, oh, sorry. Let's go
Off.
back. Oh, no. Okay, here.
Amazing.
Yes, television. Now, where is the television? A,
Mm, Infant on the left of the armchair.
okay, B,
On the right of the sofa.
okay, and C.
In front of the sofa.
Okay, so where is the television?
C. In front of the sofa.
Okay. But in front, here again, I will show you front. When we say front, it means the burger is in front of the plate. The burger is behind the plate. Okay. So let's go back again. Is the television in front of the sofa? Okay, let us see.
Yes.
Okay, let's try it. No. Oh no. But let's try again, my dear. Another one. Where is the television?
On the right of the sofa.
Okay. Let's see again.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. You're the best. Okay, you're the best, my dear. Yay!
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to the next. Okay, let's have a reading and writing. Oh, another one. Okay, can you see the picture?
Look and read. Why yes or no?
Okay, look and read. Right? Yes.
Look and read.
Read.
Why yes?
Okay, again,
Read.
my dear. Read.
Read.
Okay.
Read. Why yes or no?
Okay, now let's try this one. Oh, here's the example. Okay, there's a bird in the tree. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, yes, there's a bird in the tree. Second one, can you read this for me?
There a phone on the table.
Yes or no? Is there a phone? Is there a phone?
No.
Okay, no, there's no phone on the table. Okay, so let's go to our activity. Okay, now let's try this one. Say yes or no. Number one.
There a clock between the cupboard.
Okay, yes or no? Here's the clock. Is the clock between the cupboards?
No.
Yes, okay. Let's see if it's no.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Correct, my dear. Okay, number two.
There are chairs next to the table.
Okay, where is the chair? Okay, here. Is it yes?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
yes. Let us see. Correct again. Congratulations. Okay, number three.
There are sheep on the mat.
Okay, is there a sheep on the mat?
Yes.
Yes, here's the sheep on the mat. Okay, let's see if it's yes.
Yes.
Another yes, and congratulations. Ha! Okay, my dear, number 4.
There are 2 frogs in the bath.
Oh, are there 3 frogs in the box? Yes,
Yes.
3.
Yes. No. No.
How many frogs are there?
2
Only, oh
frogs.
yes, only 2 frogs. So it's a no.
No.
Yes, no. Yes, no. Congratulations. Okay, number 5.
There a cow under the table.
Oh, is there a cow under the table?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it's a yes. Oh no, sorry. Okay, here. Another yes, and congratulations again, my dear. Okay, very good, my dear. You did great tonight. You answered correctly, and you now know where is the position of the things. Okay, you answered correctly, and you did great. Okay. Oh, so my dear, it's time now. We will continue this in our next class. And again, Elsa is happy to meet you, my dear. Are you happy too?
Yes.
Yay! I'm happy too. Okay. Okay, my dear, thank you for tonight and enjoy your evening.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.